I love that! Where to now? Forward leads to the... Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Left leads to the... This adventure box contains the engine. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. Right leads to the Haunted Castle. Left leads to... We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. What type of wagon should we pull? Good job! Where to now? Right lead, Knapford Station's just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Whoa! Well done! Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help.